Now, what's the difference between creators that struggle and those that thrive? And it's not what you think. After coaching hundreds of my students, I found out that the missing piece is not to go out and hustle more and do more, right? It's doing the right things and having a system to implement. And we're not just talking about any system, but we're talking about the right system. And that's why I have bundled all 3 of my powerful courses into one. You've got YouTube mastery, content creation that converts, and digital product asset creation and development. And all of this we can help you master, we can help you create so that you can also create income for yourself. And you can get the entire bundle for $497. That is the price of one course alone, but I'm going to bundle all 3 of these courses. So basically you get 3 courses for the price of one. It's a complete business system that has generated results for hundreds of my students. And I want you to be next. Your passion is waiting, and so are your customers. So click below to get started today. I cannot wait to see what you're going to create.